Welcome to our exploration of the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. Today we'll delve into the fascinating world of chi, ancestors, and the gods in Igbo culture. Let's embark on this journey together. In Igbo culture, chi is believed to be the personal god or spirit that guides and protects each individual. This concept is deeply rooted in the spiritual and daily lives of the Igbo people, shaping their worldview and interactions. It's the spark of the divine within us, influencing our destiny and fortune. Chi is not just a passive presence, but an active force that can be nurtured and strengthened. Igbo people believe that chi can be influenced through prayer, meditation, and rituals that connect them to their spiritual essence, sacrifice, and good deeds. These acts are seen as ways to honor and appease their chi, ensuring its favor and guidance. By honoring our chi, we maintain balance and harmony in our lives. This balance is essential for personal well-being and communal prosperity, reflecting the interconnectedness of all things in Igbo philosophy. In Igbo culture, ancestors are revered as guardians of tradition, wisdom, and family legacy. They're believed to continue guiding and protecting their descendants from beyond the physical realm. Igbo people honor their ancestors through various rituals and ceremonies, seeking their guidance, protection, and blessings. By showing respect and gratitude, we maintain balance and connection with our ancestral heritage. In Igbo culture, the gods are believed to be powerful, benevolent beings who govern the forces of nature, fate, and human destiny. These deities are deeply revered and play a crucial role in the daily lives of the Igbo people. They're often associated with specific aspects of life, such as fertility, which is vital for the continuation of the community, war, which ensures the protection and defense of the people, or wisdom, which guides the community in making important decisions. Igbo people honor the gods through various rituals and ceremonies, which are often elaborate and involve the entire community, seeking their guidance, protection, and blessings. These rituals are a way to connect with the divine and ensure the well-being of the community. By recognizing the divine in all aspects of life, the Igbo people maintain a deep sense of spirituality and respect for the world around them. We maintain balance and harmony in the world. This interconnectedness with the divine fosters a sense of unity and purpose within the community, ensuring that traditions are passed down through generations. In conclusion, the role of chi ancestors and the gods in Igbo culture is deeply intertwined and essential to the harmony and balance of Igbo society. These spiritual elements are not just religious beliefs, but are woven into the very fabric of daily life, influencing decisions, traditions, and the overall worldview of the Igbo people. By embracing these concepts, we can deepen our understanding and appreciation of Igbo culture and its rich heritage. The reverence for ancestors and the divine guides the community, ensuring that values and customs are passed down through generations. This connection to the past provides a sense of identity and continuity, which is crucial for the preservation of their unique cultural legacy. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May you find inspiration and wisdom in the rich cultural heritage of the Igbo people. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content on African culture, spirituality, and personal growth. Stay tuned for more enlightening explorations into the diverse and vibrant cultures of Africa. Until next time, may you walk in balance and harmony.